Welcome back to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of the most amazing beaches in the world, Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Located along the eastern coast of the city, Copacabana is famous for its long stretch of white sand and clear blue water, creating a stunning scene that no one can resist. From lively beach parties to exciting water sports, Copacabana is an ideal destination for those who love excitement and relaxation. Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro is not only famous for its beautiful scenery, but also known for its pleasant tropical climate and colorful life. The climate here is mainly equatorial, with hot and humid summers, while the winters bring cooler but still quite warm weather. The average year-round temperature ranges from 23 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, creating ideal conditions for outdoor activities and relaxing on the beach. People in Copacabana and the whole of Rio de Janeiro are very friendly and hospitable, always welcoming visitors with warm smiles and an optimistic spirit. Under the bright yellow sunlight, girls in bikinis shine on the beach, bringing a confident and attractive beauty. The gentle waves, combined with healthy tan skin and colorful bikinis, create a fresh and attractive space. It is the perfect blend of beautiful nature and the grace and dynamism of people, making Copacabana an ideal destination to enjoy a colorful and joyful summer. The marine vegetation at Copacabana Beach, Rio de Janeiro, is an indispensable part of the coastal ecosystem here. Under the clear blue waters of the sea, you can discover a world full of color and rich life. Coral reefs and seagrass beds create an ideal habitat for many species of fish and small marine animals. Corals, with their diverse shapes and vibrant colors, not only enhance the beauty of the ocean, but also play an important role in maintaining ecological balance. Marine tourism plays an extremely important role in the economy and development of Brazil, especially in areas such as Rio de Janeiro. Famous beaches such as Copacabana and Ipanema not only attract millions of international tourists each year, but also generate significant income from tourism, services, and commerce. The development of the marine tourism industry helps create many jobs, from direct jobs such as tour guides and hotel staff, to indirect jobs such as food and service provision. for joining us on our journey to discover the beauty of beaches around the world. From pristine white sand to turquoise waters, we are so happy to share these amazing experiences with you. If you love traveling and want to continue discovering more exciting destinations, be sure to subscribe to Wandering and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Your support is a great motivation for us to continue bringing you more amazing adventures.